G'day, I'm Dr. Philip Button, food safety and quality expert at Food Entrepreneurship Academy. Now, are you thinking of a interesting food product, an innovative, creative idea in the food innovation and new product development space? If you are, there's never been a better time to look at beverage products. Beverage products are really trending, and they are, really hot, at the moment. So, it doesn't really matter what type of beverage product, because the market, even though it seems that there's so many around, the market still really isn't saturated, especially when you consider functional beverages. So we're talking about beverages that are going to provide an additional benefit beyond just the nutritional aspects. So especially beverage products that have functional ingredients that have their basis, have their origins in traditional medicine, such as herbal extracts, for example, from ancient and traditional Chinese or Indian medicines, for example. But of course, there are several other traditional medicines from around the world that yield amazing, totally amazing types of functional ingredients that can be incorporated into modern and contemporary innovative food or beverage products. So in addition to that, you could look at protein products, because there's always a growing market for protein, especially plant-based protein products. But whey protein is still a in demand type of protein as well. And so there's just so many different types of products that you could develop in the beverage space, and there are so many different types of ingredients out there as well that can be used. And as well as ingredient innovation, you can innovate in sustainability aspects or packaging or any of these other non-ingredient aspects as well, or combine those into a package that is really new to the market. So if you've got an idea in this sort of space, then please do get in contact with us for a confidential discussion on how your ideas or your early stage prototype can fit the food trends going forward. And really all I can say is jump on the beverage bandwagon in 2024. It's really going to be a significant one. So until next time, take care, and look forward to chatting with you soon. Bye for now.